Make your dolphin noises. How about the whale?
Sorry, I had to. Oh.
Pretend you're a whale.
No. I'm done living life and shit like that.
Where's your boyfriend?
It's in the butthole. I saw him there. Stop!